Practice in different types of makeup, daytime. Welcome to this module. In this session, we will discuss about the purpose of makeup, benefits of skin, and procedure for day makeup. We will also discuss about the tools and products used for the makeup.
Tools and materials required. Makeup brushes, varieties of sponges, moisturizer, primer, foundation, concealer, bronzer, blush, powder, eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, lipstick, setting spray. Purpose of makeup. This is an art in which any type of woman who looks normal can be made very beautiful by makeup. It is not only from today but is as old as a civilization. But the only difference is that in the olden days, women used kohl instead of kajal and rose leaves instead of lipstick. But with the passage of time, there was a change in makeup, and many salons were opened, and today's time, every person goes to the salon to get makeup done. Protection. Skin acts as a barrier to infections, bacteria, and chemical substances, protecting internal tissues from injury. Absorption. Although the skin covers or protects, some cosmetics like emollient, aroma oils, or plant extract penetrate hair follicles and sebaceous gland. Secretion. The sebaceous gland produces oil to keep skin soft, supple, and lubricated, essential for healthy skin. Excretion. Excretion removes waste and toxins from the body through sweat. Protection of vitamin D. Sunlight gives skin vitamin D, which it synthesizes. People prefer makeup because of the following reasons: to boost confidence, not to look older, to look younger, enhance beauty, so much fun, clear complexion. Demonstrate day makeup. Step 1. Cleansing. Clean your face before you apply makeup on your face. You'll have to wash it and remove any excess oils or dirt. Use a gentle cleanser and wash your face with warm water and then pat it dry with a towel. Step 2. Moisturizer. After cleansing, pores of skin get open and pH balance of skin affect. For good makeup results, it is also important to maintain the pH balance. That's why after cleansing, we use moisturizer, which also nourishes our skin. Good quality moisturizer must be used. Step 3. Primer. Now that your skin is well moisturized, prepare your face with primer. Whether you're planning on applying a light coat of foundation or a full face of makeup, primer is an important first step. Use of primer under makeup will make your look last longer. Step 4. Liquid foundation. When it comes to foundation, finding the perfect shade for your skin is priority number 1. The right shade of foundation can make all the difference. Test foundation colors against your jawline. After applying, if the foundation disappears without any sort of blending, you have found your true match. This may take a bit of trial and error, but taking the time to pick the right shade is crucial. Step 5. Concealer. There are two main categories of concealer: liquid and stick or compact. Liquid concealer is best for the times you want light coverage over a large area of your face. Liquid concealer also works well for those looking to create a light finish, especially in areas of wrinkles like around the eyes and mouth. Stick and compact concealers are well suited for heavier coverage on smaller, more specific areas of the face. Step 6. Foundation powder or loose powder. Applying foundation powder can be a tricky process. Too little and you may as well have skipped the step altogether. Too much and you'll be sporting the dreaded cake look. Step 7. Blush. Flushed cheeks have been a mainstay of makeup glamour for centuries. If you want to add a bit more color and vibrancy to your complexion, blush may be the key. Use a dense brush with plenty of bristles to apply your blush. This will make sure you get the most out of every blush sweep. Step 8. Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow can add interest to your makeup look, whether you opt for neutral shades or go bold with colorful hues. Whichever look you use, grab two complementary eyeshadows, one lighter shade and one darker shade. Dip your eyeshadow brush into the light shade and then tap the brush to get rid of any excess product. Apply the lighter shadow across the entire lid, starting at the lash line and ending just above the crease of your eyelid. Step 9. Eyeliner. Applying eyeliner can be a difficult one. Little mistake and you're stuck with raccoon eyes. Banish your eye makeup woes with these essential tips for applying eyeliner. Step 10. Mascara. If you're going to use only one makeup product, mascara should be at the top of your list. A few swipes of mascara can make your eyes look brighter in a single step. You can find mascara in a variety of colors, but black and brown tend to be the most popular. Start by curling your eyelashes with an eyelash curler. Step 11. Lipstick or lip gloss. Before applying gloss, prep your lips. If your lips are chapped and cracked, be sure to use a gentle lip scrub to remove any dead skin. setting spray or setting powder. Setting spray or setting powder can be the final touch for your makeup routine. If you want makeup that stays on all day long without greasing, creasing, or shine, it's important to invest in a quality setting solution. Setting sprays are designed for all skin types and can be used to set a variety of looks, whether you're rocking light coverage or sporting a full face of beautiful makeup. Setting spray keeps your makeup in place, helping you reduce reapplication needs and keeping your makeup looking flawless for hours at a time.
Now that everyone has a solid grasp of the day makeup methods, let's move on to evening and bridal makeup. There are several practical example videos to help you understand even better. And we think it piqued your curiosity in this subject. Thank you.